Hello, guys. Good morning. It's Monday here, and I wish you guys a wonderful day. I hope you had a wonderful day. I hope you had a wonderful night. I hope you had a wonderful weekend. So let's quickly jump into it. As you can clearly see, here is my 4 hour time frame on GBPUSD. So I've finished marking the weekly high of the week, the high of the week, and the low of the week. So as you can clearly see on my chart, on my 4 hour time frame, like I usually say, if you've been following my journey, you do know that I do mark out my weekly high and low every Monday. So I've successfully done marking that. So as you can see on my 4 hour time frame, it definitely looks strange, but all I'm anticipating for this week is definitely, or rather for today, is to wait for price to either break above, then a retest, then I'll go long. I'll go long. So that's what I'm anticipating on based on what I'm seeing. I need to be patient. I need to be patient, very, very patient to see what price is going to tell me. So I have to be patient, like I said. I have to see price either break above significantly or break above, then a retest, then I'll go in long at the retest of it. Then, if that definitely doesn't happen, I'm waiting for a break below a retest, then I'll go in short. I'll go in short. The break below might be here, it might be up to this level, it might be up to this level here. Then the retest, I'll go in short. I'm just using 4 hour time frame as illustration. This is exactly what I'm going to be doing on the 15-minute time frame. A break below, then a retest, then go short. That's what I'm going to be doing. So let me fall down to 15 minutes. So on my 15-minute chart, it looks, as you can see, it looks it looks okay. So from the 15 minutes, like I told you, so this is the week, this is the low of the week, this is the high of the week. So what I'm anticipating from what I just said now, I'm waiting for price to break above, retest, then I'll position for a long trade. Then I'll position for a long trade. I'll position for a long trade. Remember today there is no high impact or medium impact fundamentals coming in today. There is no fundamental news coming in today. So this is definitely what I'm anticipating. Just trying to illustrate that. So this is exactly what I'm anticipating. A break above, a retest, then go in at this level. So let's say it plays out just like I have just said. This is what I'm going to be doing. This is what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be going in, risking 30 pips, then targeting 100 pips. So this is exactly where I'm going to be, what I'm going to be doing. And I would love to, I would love to buy at this cycle level, 3 points, 3 points, 1.3500000. So this is definitely what I'm going to be doing. If it eventually plays out like I said, I'm going to be doing this 100 pips, then risking 30 pips. This is exactly what I'm going to be doing. Exactly this. Risking 30 pips to make 100, which gives it a risk ratio reward of 3.83 risk ratio reward. So I'm definitely going to confirm what's happening. Okay, if the chart is definitely playing out like I said. So if it happens like this, I'm going to position for a buy. The reason why definitely I have to be patient is to see price break because the London session is not officially open yet. I have to see price show me what it needs to show me before I can then react and execute. I need to then allow price show me what it needs to show me, then react or execute on the trade. So this is definitely what I'm going to be doing in a nutshell. Like I said, if it plays out, if it still didn't play out, it breaks below this level. Let's say now price eventually broke below. So if it breaks below, like I said, I'm going to be doing this. Probably it might break up to this level, a retest, then I'll go in short. So which means I'm going to go in short at this level, risking the same risk, 30 pips, 30 pips, and then targeting 100 pips. Then I'm going to be entering around 1.35000. So definitely, like I said, 30 pips stop loss, then 100 pips take profit. So this is what I'm going to be doing either way. So it gives us also a very good ratio reward of 3.33 ratio reward. So this is definitely what I'm waiting for on GBP USD. So on gold as well, I'm going to be looking out for, like as you can see, I've clearly marked the weekly high and low. So on gold, we're going to be expecting more of the sell for this week. We're going to be expecting more of the sell for this week. That doesn't mean there's not going to be a buy. That doesn't mean they're not going to be a buy market or a buy position. But we are expecting more of the sales for this week. Remember, gold hits all-time high. So I'm waiting for price now. Like you can clearly see, I've already marked the high and low. So what I'm waiting for here is my 4-hour time frame. I'm waiting for price to either pull back to this level again. Let's say price from this level now pulls back here. Then from this place, I'm going to be going in for a sell on 15 minutes. I'm going to be going in for a sell. I'm going to be going in for a sell. I'm going to be going in for a sell from this level on my 15 minutes. So let me definitely explain that better in the 15 minutes. So as you can clearly see on the 15 minutes, price is eventually doing its own thing. So like I told you, London session is not officially open yet. So on the 15 minutes, like I said, what I'm going to do, price eventually breaks, pulls back up because I'm going to wait to enter at a good level. Then I'm going to go in sell from that level. I'm going to go in sell for that level. I'm going to go in for a sell from that level. So this is what I'm going to be doing in a nutshell. I'm going to be selling from this level. If price pulls back to this level, so I'm going to be going in for this level, this level. Then definitely going to be selling from this level. So this is definitely what I'm going to be doing. This is what I'm going to be doing. So this is my bias for today. Eventually, as much as I said I want this thing to play out, price always does what it does. Price always does what it does, you see. So that's why I'm definitely going to be waiting, be patient, and the market officially opens, then we'll take it from there. We'll take it from there. So if you want to definitely spot these levels, if you want me or you like my content or what I'm posting on my trade bias and daily recaps and everything, I want you to like, subscribe for more.